After the Restorify Server prerequisites have been configured, double-click on the Restorify Server installer package. Restorify Server has two additional dependencies: SQL Server Compact Edition 32-bit and 64-bit. Review the Microsoft EULA before proceeding. After SQL Server Compact Edition installation is complete, you'll see the Restorify Server Setup Wizard. Click Next and review the Restorify Evaluation License Agreement before proceeding. Configure the Restorify Server file port, hostname, and repository route that you used when setting up the Restorify Server prerequisites. After the setup wizard has completed, click Finish, then click on Start, All Programs, Restorify, Restorify Server. If the Restorify Server console comes up without any warning or error dialogues, you know that the server has been configured correctly. For more information about Restorify, please find us on the web or send me an email.